Mbegwanto e thomile ka Laboraro mesong. Ga bjale seemo se gaketše le go feta ka ge badudi ba sa boela morago ka dinyako tša bona. Badudi ba re ba na le dibeke tše pedi ba sa hwetše le ge ka ba le rothila meetse.
Residents are not having water for that period of time. So they just wake up, they want to bath, kids want to go to school, they find that in taps there's nothing. So they just want water. They're grouped, wherever grouped, seeking to get water.
Dikgwebo le dikolo di ile tša šitišwa.
Kids are not going to school. Us workers, we are not going to work. Business also are not running. And then those people who survive by taxi drivers driving taxis, they are not working. So we are having a big problem here in Musina.
Even is suffering also a strike. The people is when he's afraid, the customer is when he's come, then he's afraid, run away. When he's with the people is coming to be eat, then it's the N1 road is the tire is also the bending. The people is run away. We are all of suffering, bro.
Masepala wa Seliti wa Bembe o re Mathata Stekgeniki ko ona šitišang kabo ya meetse gomme bothata bjo bo gare bo a rarollwa.